Friday, 1st of July. July na, pero late nyo to mapapanood. Ayan, na-makeup ko na yung bed. And yung mga bata tulog pa. Ang gagawin ko ay magluluto na ako ng breakfast. Ang breakfast namin, may binili akong sourdough bread. Tapos, mag-scramble eggs and bacon. So, yan yung breakfast natin today. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Tulog pa sila. Ayan, tulog pa sila. Nabuksan ko na yung blinds doon sa my bed namin. Dito man sa kusina. Maglabang muna. Kabis na tayo guys. Nakapaghilamos na ako. And lip tint and sunscreen. Wala tayong kilay. Okay lang yan. Magluluto lang ng tayong breakfast. Labhan ko na yung naiwan natin na laban doon sa washing machine and idagdag natin to. Si Ben tsaka si John, nagdi-drill na sila dyan, oh. Yung binili nila na nandun tayo sa Coops Harbor. Ngayon ginagawa na nila. So maglaba lang muna ako bago ako magluto ng breakfast.
Hey, babes.
Hi. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan sila. Wait lang. Ayan sila. Ayan, ito ang kanilang mga equipments. Ito, pinahiram to ng friend ni Ben na taga rito. Okay. Punta na tayo sa laundry room. Laba muna. Okay. Tingnan natin kung nandito pa mga damit. Yes. Diyan pa. Dagdagan natin. Oops. Wait lang guys. So, ayan yung ating nadagdag. May sabon na yan eh. Sabon na yan. Sana this time mag-work na. Okay. Normal. Warm. Start. Ah! Okay na. Nag-work. Narinig niyo naman. So, 37 minutes. Ang ganda tingnan ang ganitong puno. Sobrang na-happy ako pag nakikita akong punong ganito kasi feeling ko nasa Pinas lang ako. Ayan, yung dalawa busy doon. Okay, magluto na ako ng breakfast. Ni-ready na ni Jan yung paglulutuan ko. Dito tayo magluluto. Good morning! Gising na sila. Going toilet. Baba, you gonna go to toilet? Okay. Sak, she's going to the toilet. So, si Kuya na lang ang hindi pa gising. Okay. Luto na ako. Pailawan natin kasi medyo madilim pa. Si Kuya, oh. Sarap ng tulog ni Kuya. So, ayan, naluto na yung ating bacon, scrambled eggs. Yung bread na lang, tinutoast ko dito sa frying pan. Ayan yung breakfast, guys. Tinakpan ko lang para mag-melt yung cheese kasi linagyan ko na siya ng egg, bacon, and cheese. So, takpan natin para mag-melt siya. So, ayan na yung breakfast natin, guys. So, eto kay Ivy, Johnny Boy. Yung mga kids nasa, ano pa? Nasa playground.
No, because I set the pump on.
Here you go, Ive.
Thank you.
Welcome.
This week today's up right here.
Looks good. Ayan sila, kumakain na. Yung mga bata, nasa playground pa. You like it? If you want more, we have more, okay?
Thank you, Trevor.
No worries. No worries. Ayan, more bread and bacon and cheese. Nasa yung takip. So, ito yung second batch.
Yeah.
Okay, Kuya, here, where's the...
They're cool.
That doesn't have scrambled eggs.
Yeah, it has, Kuya. Just eat like that. Yeah, ayaw kasi scrambled eggs. Okay, Zachary. Yeah, here is yours. Han. It's Willow. Want more, Han?
Got another one, Willow? Yeah.
Oh, this is your son.
Good.
This is Willow. Big tatlo yung big boy. Big boys. Where's your plate, Bebo? Honey, your plate.
Who's mine?
That one, your plate.
Oh, here, we'll stay while I put it.
Okay, yan sa kanila. Okay. Ito, sa nagluto. Okay, kain na kami, guys. Ito yung akin. Okay. What do you think, Zach? Good. Ayaw mo nito, kuya. Akin na lang tong egg. Ayaw niya ng scrambled eggs.
Huh?
Yeah, because I like horse. Are you full, huh?
Eat
Kumukuha ba siya ng bread? Nagtutoast pa siya ng
Are
bread?
you eat?
There's more bread there, huh? Put butter.
No, that's
You
fine.
eat horses, Mum.
Hmm?
Did you eat?
Wala.
Oh, I want to eat one. I want to eat one. So we can have Yeah, Mummy.
There's no egg left. I don't eat the whole lot now. It's just cheese and bacon.
Mummy, I feel like this.
Look what it
That was beautiful, Chona.
Yeah.
Alright. What you want, babe?
Well, coffee.
Huh? I coffee. Drop it down on the floor.
Oh, knock it down.
That's huh? No worries, huh? No worries, huh?
No breakfast.
You want hot chocolate? Yeah. It's freezing. Okay, I'll make the hot chocolate.
I don't like that.
Okay, turn it off.
But Mum, is there milk?
So, lahat masaya sa breakfast. So, ngayon, bago ako maghugas, isampay ko muna yung nilabhan ko doon. So, balikan ko na lang yan, mama. Si kuya nag-grapes din pala siya. Okay, magsampay muna ako. Then, hugas din. Magtupi. Kasi may tupiin pa ako, diba? Okay, punta na muna tayo doon. Nilagay ko muna dyan yung ating mga tupiin kasi kailangan natin tong basket. Ayan, tapos na. Sana mas malinis dito kaysa dun sa Cops Harbor. Kasi madumi pag linalaban yung damit doon. Ayan. Okay naman. Okay, sampay-sampay. Hindi ko na lang sila isasampay sa labas kasi baka umulan. Parang umuulan na nga eh. Nag-drizzle ng konti. So, i-dryer na lang natin. $4 yung dryer. And yung paglaba din, $4. So, balik ako sa Caravan. Hingi tayo ng pera kayo dyan. Ayan. Pwede kayo dito magplancha. Walang may nagsampay. Kanina may naglaba pero hindi niya rin sinampay. Nilagay niya sa dryer. Kasi nga uulan. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Madami pa naman yun. May mga bisita tayo, guys. Yung bean chooks ang tawag. Pero hindi yan bean chooks, guys. Tinatawag lang siyang bean chooks kasi nagkakalkal sila ng bean. Walang tao dito sa bahay. Ay, sa bahay sa Caravan. Nandito raw si Johnny Boy. Nag-change na sila kasi magsiswimming sila sa malamig na pool. So, nag-wetsuit sila. You're wet. Ah, yeah, it's wet. Where's Daddy? Holly's changing. Oh, wow. You gonna swim too? Where's your wetsuit? Yeah.
Okay.
Ganyan siya ka-happy, oh. I'm gonna tie your hair, Baba.
Just pull it up. And pull it all the way up to you. See all this here. Get rid of the slack. And pull your hips up.
Thank you. Come on, I'll tie your hair first, Holly. Come on. Ayan yung $4 natin. Talian ko lang yung book ni Holly. Alright, enjoy your swimming. Mommy is what?
Busy.
Doing what?
Clean dishes for the clothes
Yeah,
and fix our beds.
that's
And
right.
I want to do washing when I'm older.
Alright, you're gonna help Mommy when you're bigger.
Like washing dishes.
Yeah, okay, enjoy. I love you. Si Jan ang magbabantay sa kanila. Ako, Punta na tayo sa... Okay, $2 coins, 1 coin. So, dito natin ito ilalagay kasi $2. So, mid lang natin. Push ka. Wait. Okay. Ito ba yung atin? Yes. Okay, start. $45 minutes. Okay. 45 minutes daw. Alright. Clean up and fold and wash the dishes. Na ako maghugas. Ayan, malinis na dito. And, tupi ko na rin yung mga tupiin dyan. And also, na-fix ko na rin yung mga higaan ng mga bata. Ayan. Okay na. And, dito ko pala nilalagay yung books ng mga bata. Ito kay Holly. Kay Kuya. Andyan kay Kuya. And si Sak meron din siya. Andun kay Sak. Ayan. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa, ngayon, kunin na natin yung dryer nating damit para matupi ko na rin. Yung mga bata, nasa swimming pool pa sila, guys. Anong oras na ba? And habang nagtutupi ako kanina, nanonood ako ng Twilight. 11:23. And for sure, hindi pa yung mga gutom kasi kumain tayo ng breakfast. 10 o'clock na ata yun. Okay, kunin ko lang yung dryer natin na damit. Okay, tapos na siya, guys. Open door na raw. Basang-basa dito. Oh, ayan. Mainit-init pa. Ayan, check ko nang maigi. Baka kasi may naiwan na isang medyas or undies. Dito ko linagay kasi basa dito, oh. And ayun, may nahulog. Ayan, pulong-pula. Okay. Tupi ulit, tupi. Okay, more tupiin. Tupi ulit tayo. Habang nagtutupi tayo, manood tayo ng Twilight. Yan. Okay, tupi muna ako, guys, habang nanonood tayo ng Twilight. Tapos na pala ako mag-ano, guys. Tapos...
Mommy, I want a banana.
Mom, can I have some shapes?
Yeah.
Mommy, I want a banana.
Dito na yung mga bata. Tapos na tayo maglinis. Magtupi. Oh, yes, Baba.
Or in the pool.
What?
Banana?
Dito na yung mga bata. Car keys? Yeah, dito na sila.
Shapes.
Si Kuya, ayan. Kuha siya ng shapes. Nakapag-vacuum na rin ako.
We were in the pool for 2 hours.
Yeah, how is it?
Good.
Fun?
Yeah. It's better with a wetsuit on.
Oh. Kasi malamig yung isang pool. Yung isa namin. Oh, yung isa tingnan nyo. Oh, nagutom ang baba ni Mommy. Remember you asked me for hot chocolate, but you went to the pool, Baba. Yeah, so you can have banana. Gagawa ko ng spring rolls.
Mommy,
Dapat nung ano pa to?
after that, could you make me hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, my love. So, balat lang tayo ng carrots. Mamaya, ang dinner natin ay burritos. Tapos mag-spring rolls. Light dinner tayo tonight kasi kagabi, diba? Napaka-heavy ng dinner natin. Ubusin ko na tong carrots. Meron pa tayo dyan na bagong biniling carrots. Ito yung dati pa to. Sa bahay pa to guys. Ayan o, tumagal siya. Buti na lang walang ano dito guys, yung quarantine. Kasi chine-check sa, ano ba yun? Runmark ata. Sa Runmark, very strict. Tsaka saan pa? May pinuntang kasi before, may quarantine. Talaga hindi pwede magdala ng fruits, vegetables. Itatapon sa bin. Pag nag-cross ka dun sa kung saan man yung boundary or state na yun. Victoria yun eh. South Australia. Victoria, South Australia. Dito wala naman. Nadala natin lahat. May sibuyas. Ayan. So, kahirin lang natin. Ito kahirin. Kayo din. Nagutom si Holly. Gutom ka, Baba? Gutom, what means gutom? Baba, what gutom means?
How?
Hungry.
Hungry?
Yes. Say, gutom ako. What's that?
Nothing.
Ganituhin ko na lang kasi i-chop ko.
There's the bin, sweeties.
I'll make spring rolls, Beth.
Can you go to that one?
No?
Alright, no worries.
You're unreal, John. I'm gonna make some spring rolls.
Baby, can I put some socks on, darling?
Yeah, I got new socks there for you.
Put some socks, and Daddy will get your shoes and you can be warm.
I want my
Cheers.
I'll get your shoes, Bub. So let me get a little drink.
What drink?
Here's coffee.
Oh, darling, you know. My beautiful girl in the world.
Mom, have a little bit of carrot.
Oh, sure, my love. Here, have this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm a bunny.
Oh, darling. I'm getting time for Chester's Park outside. It's alright, you know.
Make sure it doesn't rain.
Oh, it'll rain tonight, babe.
It will rain.
Oh, yeah.
Ulan daw.
Perfect night. Hater.
Uulan daw nga. Uulan daw, guys. Umuulan naman kanina. Yung parang kung sa Bicol, through Tagite. Dapat nito, chinachop, guys. Kaso, maliit siya.
We can't. It's going to rain.
Alis sila,
In a
guys. In a comps. Tomorrow.
Comps, but yeah, it won't be.
Isasama niya si Kuya. Yung aking gagawin na spring rolls, lagyan ko siya ng noodles para dumami.
Well, it's a little bit grassy.
Yeah. Dapat bibili sana ako ng sprout kaso nakalimutan natin. Hindi ko nakalimutan. Wala sa Coles pala. So, lagyan ko na lang siya ng noodles para dumami naman yung ating spring rolls. Kasi isang ano lang, 500 grams lang yan. How many holes are you gonna play?
9.
9 holes? Anong oras na ba? Parang maghapon. 1:31. Dito lang tayo sa Caravan. Daming ganap ko dito sa Caravan. Naglinis kasi tayo ng Caravan. Naglinis. Naglinis din and then nagtupi. Tapos pumunta si Brody kanina. So, chika-chika saglit. And continue working na naman dito. Ito, nagagawa ko ng spring rolls. Saan ko lang para mahugasan na din ito. Si Holly nandun siya kay Ivy. Thanks, son. Kinain niya na yung cord. What time you think you will be home?
99.
Only 9 holes. But I'm asked about what time. Depende rin kasi yung kung marami sila. Naghihintay sila ng turn nila sa ano.
Is that fine?
Yes. Hi, Zach. How's your life, her, Zachary? Good. For sure. Bago ko haluin yung aking gagawin spring rolls, kain ako ng tinapay. na may ito. Pag pumunta tayo ulit sa Coles, bibili ako nito ng, kailan ba ito mag-expire? Matagal ba ang life mo? July 11. So, kuha ko nito siguro 3 ganito kasi masarap siya. Masarap, manamis-namis, tapos cream cheese spread, then yung butter na gusto ko from Woolies. The best. Kumain na tayo ng tinapay kanina. Ano na kasi, lunch na. Yung mga bata, okay pa sila. O ano kasi kinakain nila. Nag-snack sila. So, yung dinner talaga yung main, pagkain. Dinner. Yung dinner talaga. Siguro, saing din ako ng kanin. Saing din tayo ng kanin. Ngayong nasa tayo, holiday guys, dami namin kumain. Sa bahay, ako hindi, kasi yung mga bata nasa school, ako pala. Parang kain lang ako ng kain. Kaya, walang diet. Bawal ang diet sa camping kasi masasarap ang niluluto. Sabi ko, wag na kami mag-pub. Kasi sa pub, guys, nakaka-disappoint ang mahal. Aside sa mahal, hindi masarap. Eh, nag-agree naman sila. Sabi ko, magluto na lang tayo. Instead na ipub natin yan. Tapos, uuwi kami. Lahat reklamo na hindi masarap. Lahat talaga. So, wag na lang mag-pub. Meron naman pinuntan yata kami isang beses. Masarap yun. Pero yung last namin, hindi talaga yun masarap. Kaya sabi ko, wag na. Luto na lang tayo. Pero sa, sa Gold Coast, for sure, kakain tayo sa labas. Kasi maraming restaurant na masasarap din na itatry natin. Ayan. Naglalaway na tayo. And meron ako ditong cascade. Ayan. Si Jan at si Willow ang super nag-i-enjoy sa holiday. Lahat naman, mga bata. Lahat naman kayo nag-i-enjoy. Pero sobrang nag-i-enjoy talaga si Jan at ang mga bata. Kasi si Jan laging nag-golf. Si Ben laging kami ni Brody, nagre-ready lang kami ng mga dinners. Nagre-ready lang kami ng mga dinner nila. Luto kami, laba. Yung boys talaga, holiday nila to. Okay. Kain muna tayo ka. Hop. Manood muna ako. Pahinga. Break ko muna. Break. Naubos ko yung dalawang.
Hi.
Guys. Are you going now?
Yep, so far.
Yeah.
Only 9 holes.
What time are you coming home?
Shouldn't be too long.
Yeah, but what time you think?
Probably 4:30 or 5 or something.
Not an hour.
Me and TJ going by ourselves because there's that Willow's playing with a couple other groups.
I thought that's why I said it tastes ginger. I got the ginger beer.
Oh, baby.
Akala ko nakuha ko ay yung lemon, lime, and bitters. Kaya pala sabi ko, parang lasang ginger. Ngayon ko lang, pagbasa ko, ayun, ginger beer. Yucks daw, sabi ni Jan. Okay, tapusin ko na to. Busog na ako. Naubos ko, oh. Haluin ko lang to. Si Jan, alis na sila. So, 4 or 5 daw sila darating. Kaya pala sabi ko, parang lasang ginger. Kaya pala, ginger kasi. Hey, Zach! What are you doing?
I'm going to bed.
Oh, kasi nga, guys, ang pangit ng weather ngayon, malamig. So, magnanap na lang siya. Where's Holly?
I don't know.
You don't know? Where's your sister?
She's with Matt.
With Max or Ivy?
Both.
Ah, both. Okay. Si TJ kasi nag-golf. Niluluto ko na yung ating spring roll with noodles. And yung dalawa, ayan si Zach. Kakain na raw siya ng donuts. Hindi siya nakatulog, guys.
Class, Dennis, I want to.
Yes, of course. Ask them. Punta siya sa kapitbahay. Ask niya kung gusto ni Ivy at saka ni Max ng donut. So, ayan na yung ating noodles, guys. Wala sa planong lalagyan ko siyang noodles. Pero para dumami, At para mataba yung ating spring rolls, dinagyan ko na lang ng noodles. Kasi 500 grams nga to. Then, meron yata akong 25 pieces na pangbalot dyan. So, kapalan lang natin para masaya. Yan. Malamig, malamig. Are you cold, Sak? It's cold, right? Yeah, it's cold. Ayan na, umuulan na. Good luck dun sa mga nag-golf. So, ayan na guys, yung ating gagawing spring rolls. Pwede na itong iulam guys. Kanin na lang ang kulang. Pwede siyang ulamin. Pero hindi, babalutin natin yan. And tingnan yung sa labas. Ang lungkot ng labas, makulimlim. So, ngayon, mag-edit ako guys. Kasi ilang araw na din wala akong vlog. Okay, edit naman tayo. Update guys, 3:53 na. Tapos na ako mag-edit. And ngayon, ayan, meron akong tirang fried rice. Nung nag-fried rice ako, linagay ko sa ziplock. Ayan siya. Natitam kasi akong kainin to. So, kumawang konti, initin ko para kainin. Oops, wala pala dito yung glass. Kasi pag nagbabiyahe, tinatanggal talaga namin yung glass dito sa microwave. Para safe. Yung mga bata nandun sa kabilang caravan, nanonood sila ng movie doon. Basta nandun sila. Naglalaro siguro, nanonood ng movie or naglalaro ng Nintendo ni Max. Isisave ko lang yung aking na-edit and hinati ko siya kasi ano siya guys, ang haba. 1 hour. Kasi ang daming ganap. So hinati ko sa 2. So, kailangan hatiin kasi sobrang haba at saka mahina ang ating internet. So, yung update, wala pa siya ng pangit ng weather sa labas. Ang lamig. Maulan. Kaya, sayo, kain na lang ako. Yun naman talagang holiday, diba? Kain, relax. The same time, nag-work. Okay. Kainin ko muna yan after mainit. Tingnan nyo, tinatagyawat ako. Sobrang, sobrang relax ng holiday. Tinatagyawat tayo. Sobrang sarap nito. Eto, binuksan ko. Bigay ito sa akin ni Miss Ann. Yung inorderan ko ng mga Japanese chocolate and noodles. Binigyan niya ako nito. Sobrang sarap. Chili garlic oil. Thanks, Ann. Bigay niya to sa akin. Salamat. Sarap. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang. So, sa hindi mahilig sa maanghang, pwede ito sa inyo. Kasi hindi siya, para sa akin na hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Ang sarap ng noodles. Din yung ginawa natin ay spring roll ko. Parang gusto ko bukas magsinangag. Sarap ng sinangag. Busin ko muna ito guys. Ang sarap. Dito na sila guys. Who won? Yeah. Who won, Han? Yeah.
By 1 shot.
All right, go to bed.
Who won? Him?
Where are we going to put those?
Sure? Who won, Ben? Who won?
TJ beat John.
Oh.
Playing in a different group. Here you go.
Ah. Yeah.
Where are we putting these?
Si Kuya daw nanalo. Come on. Ilalagay nila sa bathroom yung kanilang golf stick kasi basa. You have to have a shower right away, yeah.
There is no water.
Yeah, we have now, I think.
They turned it off.
Again? Ay, nako.
Turned it off at 10:30.
Yeah, that was 10:30 in the morning. Check nga natin. Yeah, we have water now, yeah. Tao po. Hi. Okay. Babalutin na natin to guys kasi tapos na ako. Na-upload ko na yung vlog natin for today. Ngayon, isara ko lang yung mga blinds. Kasi gabi na guys. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock na. The kid there. I have to hurry because daytime.
Oh, what are you doing with that egg?
This is I'm gonna use this to seal.
No.
Alright, go.
Please, no.
Wash your hands, come here.
That's two fingers.
Okay. Crack it.
No.
Now, hurry up.
Just don't use the water from it, though.
Why?
I'm going back to the main water.
Where?
Turn that off.
Okay.
Off, and I'll go turn the tap on.
To the main water now. Kasi kanina wala tayong tubig. So, ang ginamit namin ay yung water namin sa tank. Kasi, yung tubig dito sa... Yeah. Yung tubig dito sa Caravan Park, inoff muna kasi may nag-leak. So, kahapon din, inoff din nila ng alas...
Yeah.
Nung naglalaba ako, walang tubig dahil nga, inoff din nila kasi may inaayos. Just, you don't know how to crack it now, Baba?
Is there shells?
There's no shells.
Now
Thank
do you
you.
have to stir it?
I'll do it, Baba.
Oh, I want to stir it.
No, because that's too small, love.
Do it like
Okay. Magbalot na.
this one open?
This one, baby. Here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Han, can you
It's frozen.
No, it's not. Can you pass me the scissor, please, babe?
Are you gonna use all of it?
Yeah. Gawin ko malalaki
This is
para...
gonna be heavy.
Huh?
I wanna cook.
You're not gonna
Remember I
cook.
said I want to make?
Huh?
Remember,
What, this one in the box?
remember I wanted to help?
Yeah, you're helping mommy, but not this one because this is not for...
Can I pass you them then?
I have to separate this, love. Hala, parang frozen nga.
I knew it was frozen.
Should it be? Because it was in the fridge.
Mama.
No, it's
There's
not.
two.
It's not.
Mommy, there's two.
Yeah. Ay! Napunit! Hala, malulubat din tayo.
Mommy, it's
Hala.
okay.
It's okay.
That's what I can do it.
Where's,
Ow.
where's my towel?
Your towel?
Yeah, where's the
Oh,
towel?
look at this one. Ay, naku, ang pangit ng wrapper. Yung ano to, first time kong gumamit ng wrapper na ganito.
Remember you did it at home and it wasn't frozen? How come it's frozen here then?
It's not frozen, Baba.
You don't rip it.
I'm not trying not to. Okay, guys.
Hi, guys.
Guys, hindi namin nagamit yung lumpia wrappers kasi ang
It's
pangit.
kept ripping.
Yes. Lagi
So
siyang
we have to use these little tiny.
Yeah, etong wonton, ano ba? Wonton wrappers.
These are what it looks like.
First time ko itong gawin.
This is what it
Na
looks
spring
like.
roll nasa wonton wrappers.
They can see.
Kasi ang pangit nung ano, hindi na ako bibili niya. Yung nasa box. So, huli siya ni...
It was frozen and Mom had to take it
It's not
out.
frozen.
Yeah, it wasn't frozen, but it put it in the fridge, but it was stuck together.
It's stuck together.
Oh, my hands are so
Ngayon, dito na lang sa wonton wrapper.
That's what it looks like.
Isang ano lang to, isang bite. Isang
So you have to bite like, you have to bite it on the end.
malulubat na yan. Ayan yung ating gasmate, guys. And gamit natin yung small pan na muduri.
Do you want it high or low or how?
Hi.
That way.
Mom,
Yep. Okay.
Mommy,
Yes.
leave these here. Leave these
I
here.
think
Alright,
could
so-
you make me
Second time, mate.
hot chocolate, please?
He's on
Gusto na maprito to, guys.
750,000 more.
Yeah.
Buddy Franklin's got more goals than us. Dad, that's just in.
Painitin lang natin.
Only breaking from my nose. Mum, do they look like that?
Yeah, dumplings.
Yeah, winner.
So they're not spring rolls.
The meat is for spring rolls. Like,
So they're pretty much dumplings.
are you hungry, kiddos?
Yes, I want to try the spring dumplings today.
Dumpling spring. Yeah, before bedtime. But I told you stop eating your nails, Holly.
Dad,
Ito na siya, guys. Oops. Ayun na yung mga naluto. Looking good. Ang laki din pala nila pag naluto.
get to the first time.
Nilagay ng mga bata dito yung fruit box nila kasi yellow yan, guys. So, pinapatunaw nila. Dito na tayo, guys, sa camp kitchen. Ayan yung spring roll. Spring roll na naging wonton spring roll. Or dumplings. Yes, hot, ha, hot. I have the sauce here.
I like Ivy, do you like them?
I got this, if you want. No, it's not. The sweet and sour. Yeah. You like it? Huh? Sak, how is it? Good. You like it, Ivy? Yeah. Hard. Okay, that's for Holly. Can I show you Holly? Just one. One for Holly? Also, figure as that? That salsa?
Close our vlog now. We're fresh. So thank you for watching our vlog. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next one. Bye.
Good night, guys. Thank you.